Today, we're looking at Vortex Dao. This Dao has an APY that is impossible to read with 4 to 5 zeros. The website is all about space, and I really like the design. They claim to be different than other Olympus Dao forks. We will see if that's true or not. Their website is vortexdao.com. The link is also in the description if you want to take a look. Without further ado, let's get started. So in this video, I will talk about what is Vortex Dao? How does it work? And how can you potentially make money on Vortex Dao? My view on this Olympus Dao fork. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much. Welcome to this new video on Vortex Dao. Vortex is another Olympus Dao fork on the Avalanche blockchain. This DAO launched just a week ago and it's going pretty well for them. Let's learn more through their docs. This is where you can get all the information on how the protocol works. The link is also in the description in case you want to check this out too. Vortex Dao is not just another Olympus Dao fork. I like to hear this. We are aggressively seeking new ways to provide value for our members. By holding, bonding, or staking space tokens, you become a member of the DAO and your tokens are backed by a portion of the Vortex Dao treasury. Where possible, we will also send a portion of our profits back to holders of space. Once the DAO is fully established, your tokens will grant you voting rights for decisions that impact the DAO and its treasury. Until that time, the treasury will initially be invested in DGen-approved Avalanche-based projects according to an allocation set by the team. Let's now go to the What is Space section. So Space is a decentralized reserve currency on the Avalanche network representing Vortex Dao. It is an innovative crypto project that combines the utility of yield farming with the benefits of DAO membership. Space is backed by a basket of assets in the Vortex Dao treasury, which provides the protocol with intrinsic value that it should not be able to remain below. Space also provides financial and game-theoretic functions to the market through staking and bonding. Okay, so this is interesting. It's a little bit different. Space aspires to become an algorithmic reserve currency backed by other decentralized assets. Similar to the idea of the gold standard, Space provides free-floating value its users can always fall back on simply because of the fractional treasury reserves Space draws its intrinsic value from. I am on the staking section. Through staking, Space holders deposit their tokens in return for more space. The return is measured in APY, which means annual percentage yield. APY is the real rate of return on your investment, taking into account the compounding interest provided by the protocol. A high APY encourages holders to stake, which is beneficial to the protocol. Staking provides users with a passive income stream through auto-compounding. You just input how many you want to stake. The ROI is currently at 38%, which is low compared to other forks. And here you can unstake. You can claim your rewards here. Let's now check the bonds. Through bonding, users mint space tokens by providing the treasury with assets such as LP tokens and stable coins. In exchange for providing the assets that will fill the treasury, bonders receive discounted space tokens that vest over 5 days. Bonding is a more active approach to investing in space, but is just as important as staking. ROI is measured as the 5-day return. Space MIM is offering an ROI of 40%. MIM and APY have a lower ROI. Click Mint. You must purchase a minimum of 0.01 space tokens, and you can only buy a maximum of 1,098 tokens. Input how many you want to buy and click Approve if you want to bond. Then here you can redeem your rewards. Now we're going to take a look at the calculator. Finally, this calculator does not calculate your future potential number of Lamborghinis, but rather how many space flights. This is definitely in my list of my favorite DAO calculator. The APY is now way higher. While I was filming, the APY was only 2 trillion. Now, it is at 4 to 5 zeros, a number that is impossible to read. So here, if I would stake for 60 days, 3,000 space tokens, I would be able to make 12 space flights. Interesting. If this video is helpful so far, please consider subscribing, sharing, and liking this video. I would appreciate it. Thank you. AVAX Reflections does not concern you if you weren't involved in the first phase of Vortex Dao. They've had a problem, and this is where you could claim your AVAX if you participated in Phase 1. Let's now go to the dashboard. Now the APY is updated. 4 to 5 zeros, that's the number. Because of the APY going up, the DAO just gained massive new users. The price of space is now at $39. The market cap is $4.5 million. The actual market cap of the space token is around $2.6 million. I believe the market cap on their website is the total value locked and the treasury balance. The total value locked is at $2.6 million and the treasury at $1.9 million. Those are big numbers. And the runway is 11 days, which basically means how long they can keep the insane APY. The backing price per space token is $14. At a high level, Vortex Dao consists of its protocol-managed treasury, protocol-owned liquidity, a bond mechanism, and high-staking rewards that are designed to control supply expansion. Bonding in the bond page generates profit for the protocol, and the treasury uses the profit to bond space and distributes S-space to the stakers. With LP bonds, the protocol can accumulate liquidity to ensure system stability. By hovering over the button space, you could buy here space tokens. This will bring you to Trader Joe. The token will be imported automatically and you can just click continue. Now you can swap any tokens or coins in the AVAX blockchain to space tokens. Then back on the website, you can add the token to your MetaMask. Click space and click add token. Now the token is added. On Twitter, Vortex has more than 3,000 followers. You can join their Discord here. Once you've joined, you can talk with the community of Vortex Dao and ask questions to the developers. The announcement channel is where you get all the news from the DAO. So if you want to invest in this protocol, I would suggest to join their Discord and Twitter to have the latest news on the DAO. Personally, I don't have any money to risk at the moment, but if I would try to invest a little. But please do your own research before investing. This video is not financial advice. Then here's my Twitter at Colin0x. Follow me there and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Like and add the notification so you can be informed when I post. Thank you. Have a nice day.